Today we're working on the bed of the truck. It's a lot worse than I remember it. It's really bright out here. Anyways. First we're gonna get all this garbage out of here. Michael? Can I get some gloves? Probably. I have no idea where I'm putting this stuff. Oh my gosh!
Yes. I don't think it matters if we dent out the door anymore.
Oh, no, that does not matter. I don't know where I'm putting this.
You got the garage?
No. Bed's not in the greatest shape, but at least we're not dealing with a bunch of holes. I'm not going to sit there and fix dents in a bed, but we do got to get some of this old tar removed. And we're going to cover this up and pretend it was never there. Broom me. So we got the cup wire wheel on the grinder. We're going to see how much of this surface rust we can get off. Alright, so we got this bed cleaned up as much as I'd like to. I really don't feel like sitting here spending 4 hours cleaning it up. So it's good enough for who it's for. Dog break. Hi, Poppy. Hi, Poppy. Wow! 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 So anyways, we're using this Herculiner. Takes on anything. Supposed to protect against scratches, dents, and rust. So we're going to cut it in on the sides before we start rolling it. This thing is tore up. See what this thing comes with. With a gallon can. Pool noodles. I'll have to see if I can float on these. With a little roller. Ooh, it comes with a paintbrush. I guess I don't need a paintbrush. What's the combination?
Try turning it on and off again.
Try to,
Turn it off and on again.
try to unplug it and then plug it back in.
Yes.
Come on. Come on. There it is. It's probably all at the bottom. Oh yeah. Good soup.
I'll pass.
Four hours later.
Do not use with oil-based coatings.
Is it oil based?
I think it is. What is in you?
Paint.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. See if it doesn't stay on there. Just boom! And just dump the whole lid.
That'll put us on fail army.
Oh yeah. The forbidden snow cone. Oh, stop it. Start from the back and work my way forward. Oh,
Stirring from the bottom now, we're here.
This is why we can't have nice things. Give me a rag. Guess I'm just doing it kind of like paint. I don't know why I'm worried about dripping. Now. Got a goober on my fingers. Oh, my ring.
Oh no.
It's everywhere.
Oh no. Did you get it off?
Yeah, sort of.
It should be okay.
It doesn't matter if I get it on the tailgate because we're going to replace that.
Yep.
Oh, hand cramps. Hand cramps. Oh, jeez. Oh. I don't know what I'm doing. Almost there.
Just a little bit more of a spot.
Hallelujah.
Finally. After 28 years.
You can see how badly it's dented. Some spots.
Yeesh.
Good enough.
Yep.
I tried covering this last night because it was raining. It sort of worked. I think it dried enough before the rain got on it, so we'll see. Worked out for the most part. Most of this we just got on it, taking the tarp off, but stayed pretty dry. Now to finish up the sides. I highly recommend gloves when you're using this stuff. Alright, so we ended up hitting the rest of the walls and second coat on the bed. And for an old beat up bed, it's not looking too bad. But yeah, I'll do another coat on some of the sections on the walls. Really globs up sometimes in some spots, but looks better than it did. Alright, so I'm really happy with the way this came out. And yes, I will get around to painting it one of these days. It's just been really cold here in Alabama. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, check out the videos below.